How often do you think about your feet? You might find this question odd, but consider this. Every step you take, every journey you embark upon, is supported by these incredible parts of your body. Yes, our feet. They are the silent warriors, always there, always ready, carrying us from point A to point B, no questions asked. Despite this, we often overlook their significance. We cram them into shoes that aren't quite the right fit, ignore their aches and complaints, and generally take them for granted. But imagine a day without them. Quite impossible, isn't it? Our feet, with their intricate network of bones, muscles, and tendons, are marvels of natural engineering. They absorb shock, provide balance, and propel us forward, all while bearing the weight of our entire bodies. Let's take a moment to appreciate them. Our feet are the unsung heroes of our lifetime, enduring our weight and traversing all kinds of terrain. Do you know that our feet are a marvel of engineering? Each foot is a complex structure that consists of 26 bones, 33 joints, and more than 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. These components work in unison, allowing us to perform a wide array of activities with ease and precision. Let's delve into the fascinating world of foot anatomy. The foot is divided into 3 parts: the forefoot, the midfoot, and the hindfoot. The forefoot houses the 5 toes and their corresponding long bones, known as metatarsals. Each toe is made up of small bones called phalanges, except for the big toe, which has only 2. The midfoot is a collection of arches that act as a natural shock absorber. These arches are formed by the tarsal bones, and they provide balance and support when we stand, walk, or run. The midfoot is connected to the hindfoot, which is formed by the heel and the ankle. The heel bone is the largest bone in the foot, and it bears most of our body weight when we stand. The muscles of the foot, along with a network of tendons and ligaments, give our feet their shape and enable movement. These muscles contract and relax in a coordinated manner, propelling us forward with each step we take. The tendons, which are tough bands of tissue, connect the muscles to the bones, facilitating movement. The ligaments, on the other hand, connect bone to bone, providing stability and support. This intricate network of bones, muscles, and tendons is designed to absorb shock, provide balance, and propel us forward. Every step we take, every terrain we traverse, our feet adapt, adjust, and keep us moving forward. They're more than just a pair of shoes' best friend. They're the unsung heroes that carry us through life. Understanding the anatomy of our feet helps us appreciate the hard work they do, day in and day out. So next time you take a step, take a moment to thank your feet for their tireless service and remarkable engineering. Are we treating our feet right? This question might seem simple, but it's a critical one that we often overlook. As we navigate through life's journey, we unknowingly subject our feet to various challenges that can lead to discomfort and even injury. One of the most common missteps we make is wearing ill-fitting shoes. Whether it's the allure of a stylish pair of heels or the rugged appeal of those hiking boots, we sometimes sacrifice comfort for fashion. But when shoes don't fit correctly, they can cause a myriad of problems, from corns and calluses to more serious ailments like bunions and hammer toes. We also expose our feet to uncomfortable conditions. Excessive walking or standing, high-impact activities, or simply neglecting to give our feet the rest they need can lead to conditions such as plantar fasciitis, a painful inflammation of the tissue that connects your heel bone to your toes. And then there's the tendency to ignore the warning signs of pain and discomfort. It's easy to dismiss foot pain as a minor inconvenience, but persistent pain is your body's way of signaling that something is wrong. Ignoring these signs can exacerbate problems and potentially lead to chronic issues. Even the smallest missteps can have a significant impact on our feet, but the good news is, once we become aware of these common pitfalls, we can take steps to correct them. By choosing shoes that fit well, giving our feet the rest they need, and paying attention to signs of discomfort, we can ensure that our feet continue to support us throughout our lives. So, let's start treating our feet with the respect they deserve. After all, they carry us through life step by step, journey by journey. It's time we start taking care of them, not just for their sake, but for our overall health and well-being. By identifying these missteps, we can start to give our feet the care they deserve. What if we started to pay more attention to our feet? Imagine the difference it could make. If we treated our feet with the same care and attention we give to our faces or our hands, we could prevent injuries, improve overall body alignment, and enhance our mobility. Our feet are our foundation. They're the silent workhorses of our bodies, carrying us through every day. So, how do we show them the appreciation they deserve? Let's explore. First, stretching. Stretching our feet can increase flexibility, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of injuries. It doesn't have to be complicated. A few simple stretches can make a world of difference. Try pointing and flexing your toes, or rolling a tennis ball under your foot. Just a few minutes each day can help keep your feet flexible and pain-free. Next, massaging. A good foot massage can relieve tension, promote relaxation, and even help with conditions like plantar fasciitis. You don't need to be a professional masseuse to reap the benefits. Just use your hands to work the muscles and tendons, applying gentle pressure where it feels good, then strengthening. Our feet are made up of numerous small muscles that often get overlooked in our regular exercise routines. Incorporating foot strengthening exercises like toe curls or heel lifts can help build these muscles, improving balance and stability. Lastly, proper footwear. It's not just about fashion. The right shoes can support your arch, cushion your heel, and provide a comfortable space for your toes. They can prevent a host of foot problems and keep you comfortable all day long. By taking the time to care for our feet, we're investing in our overall health and well-being. We're giving our feet the tools they need to continue their vital work day in and day out. Whether it's stretching, massaging, strengthening, or simply choosing better shoes, every little bit helps. Proper care and attention can keep our feet strong and healthy, supporting us every step of the way. So, let's not take our feet for granted. Let's give them the love and care they deserve, for they are the unsung heroes of our lifetime. Our feet are the foundation of our lives. They are the unsung heroes, quietly supporting us in every stride we make, across every terrain we traverse. Throughout this journey, we've delved into the incredible anatomy of our feet, the intricate network of bones, muscles, and tendons, all designed to absorb shock and propel us forward. We've also explored the common mistakes we make, from stuffing our feet into ill-fitting shoes to ignoring the signs of discomfort and pain. And we've highlighted the importance of proper foot care, including stretching, massaging, and strengthening exercises, along with the significance of suitable footwear. By giving our feet the care and attention they deserve, we can prevent injuries, improve overall body alignment, and enhance our mobility. So, let's begin to appreciate this marvel of engineering we often take for granted. It's time we start treating them like the unsung heroes they truly are. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this.